Let's design a cute teardrop cutter together in Fusion 360. So first thing you're going to want to do is on the left side here, click Create Sketch and center yourself on the top of this box here. Select your yellow plane and then create a rectangle up here on the top left. You're going to click 2-point rectangle and then put in the size that you want your cutter to be. So we're going to do 20 millimeters and click Tab and do 20 millimeters here. Click Enter. And now we're going to create a line down the center using the line tool over here on the left. And Fusion will tell you where the center is with the little triangle. You'll click the center and drag down. And now we can use the Fit Point Spline tool up here at the top left. Click the top and drag down until it looks good. Then drag down to the center, then click the check mark. Then you can use the select tool up here at the top right and use these green handles to adjust the shape. Until you're happy with how it looks. And keeping in mind that it will be mirrored on the other side. So now that we're done with that, we can go to Modify and then Offset, and then select, before we select that line, we're going to turn off the chain selection and just select the line that we made. And then we can drag it over, and then click OK. Now we can use our trim tool and cut off this little bit where it goes over the mirror, because we don't want that there. Go back to our select tool, go over to mirror, and select both of these lines, select the mirror line, click OK. And now we can offset again, selecting the outside of our cutter and drag it out. We want this to be 0.4 millimeters. That's how small the standard nozzle can go. Click OK. We're going to do this again. Go to Offset, select both of these lines, and we're going to offset it big enough to make the handle. Let's drag that out and click OK. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to offset and select both of the inside lines here. It's not working, so I'm just going to do it a different way. Select the inside, and then we're going to drag it in by negative 0.4 millimeters, because again, that's how small our nozzle can go. Click OK. And then we're going to trim off these little edges here. And we don't have one here, but we want it to touch this line in the middle. So I'm actually going to drag this over and connect it. Connect these here. And then use the mirror tool again just to select that line and then the mirror line and click OK. And now if we hover over it, we can see that we have, if we don't have closed shapes, so there we go. If they're not closing like that black line, then that means we don't have a closed profile. So this one right here is not closed, so I'm just going to zoom in, make sure the lines are connected. So it's not connected down here, because I forgot to mirror that other line I made right there. But it's okay because we fixed it. So there we go, that's completed. We can go to Finish Sketch. And now we can extrude. Move this over here. We're going to extrude the outside wall first. And I like to do 13 millimeters because I like for my cutters to be tall so that my nails aren't pulling up clay when I'm trying to pull up my cutter. So 13 millimeters, you can definitely change this if you want to. Click OK. And I'm going to do the same thing to this inside embossing wall, but I like it to be anywhere from 10.5 to 11.5 millimeters. So I'm just going to do 11. Click OK. And I'm going to extrude the handle to 5 millimeters. Click OK. And I'm going to extrude the back side just so it's connected to 5 millimeters as well. And click OK. So now we have this cutter. Now I'll show you a little trick. If we go to sketch, right click and do edit sketch, and this little tip right here, we're gonna go to modify, and we're gonna go to fillet. We can select both of those corners. It's going to round that for us, and then we can just drag that up right there and click finish sketch. So now it's not sharp right there. And hide the sketch. And now you have your finished teardrop cutter. If you're interested in making more cutters on Fusion 360 and want some help getting there quickly, be sure to check out my Fusion Cutters Made Easy course. It's listed down below. At the time of recording this, until the end of July, it is on a special promotion. So if you're interested in that, I have linked it down below. You will learn to create so many different cutters, and it's currently being updated, so it's going to be amazing. And when you sign up with the promotion, you'll get the special promotion price, but you'll also get the update when it comes out. So, and any updates in the future. It's a lifetime access course. So yeah, and feel free to request any kinds of cutters below. I'd love to add more videos to my YouTube, and thanks for being here.